Welcome to Vidyarambha Academy. Now we are going to observe continuous tenses and perfect tenses all together face to face, so that we shall understand the difference between the two tenses. Two types of tenses are indicated here, shown here. These are continuous tenses which tell us the action is continuous, the action was continuous, and the action will be continuous. Like that, here we are using continuous tenses. In present, Sejal is taking a phone. I am taking a phone. You are taking a phone. Like this, every construction happens depending on the subject. If it is singular or first person singular or third person singular or second person singular or plural, for both you, we are using here you are taking a phone. So this way, second is past tense. Sejal was taking a phone. Sejal was taking a phone. Here the thing happened in past, but it was continuous. Sejal was taking a phone. If the subject changes, I was taking a phone, but single you were taking a phone. Plural you, similarly, you were taking a phone. Okay, and suppose I take the 4 boys were taking a phone. The 5 girls were taking a phone. Like that. Next is future tense. In future tense, first is Sejal, the subject, then will. Will is helping verb to indicate future tense. Be is infinitive without to, that is first form of be. Will be. Because after helping verb, shall, will, can, could, would, should, may, might, must, all 9 when they are at the position of main helping verb. Then next is first form, like shall take, will take. Similarly here, will be taking, because we need fourth form, and that is present participle. We have to create this construction using present participle. Sejal will be taking a phone. Okay, now let's go for this perfect tenses. These perfect tenses are using past participle taken and forms of have, has and had. Here present tense tells Sejal has taken a phone. In present tense, I have taken a phone. The difference is have or has. 2 options are there. We have to keep in mind. The subject, one except I and you, then it is third person singular. One except I and you. Sejal is one except I and you. So, Sejal has taken a phone. But I have taken a phone. You have taken a phone. My 5 friends have taken a phone. The 4 girls have taken a phone. The 7 girls have taken a phone. Like that, here it will be. Now next is past tense. Past tense is very easy in English. Here, had, finish. Means every subject can use this had. Sejal had taken a phone, I had taken a phone, you had taken a phone. Like that, the construction will be created. Next is future. Future, again that thing came. Here is helping verb. Then infinitive without to, that is have, means first form. Then taken, third form. Now it is Sejal will have taken a phone, means in future this action will be complete. Will have completed. So that's why it is showing you future perfect tense. Okay, everybody saw this video, observed, understood. For that I thank all of you.